I'm from countryside. You know that I have been living in my village for 24 years. Many people they tell me, "Hey brother, I'm from countryside. I'm from city. I'm from village. How I can start my English journey? How I will start my English journey? You tell us. I will suggest you and I will request you if you want to learn English. First of all, you have to practice English every single day. How you can practice your English? For example, you try to listen English speaking video on your Facebook page. It is number one. You try to listen English speaking video at least 20 minutes to 30 minutes every day. Number two, you try to record your English video in front of your camera. When you will stay in your office or when you will stay in your room, you try to make English video in front of your camera. Number three, you try to think in English every single day. For example, how you can think in English? For example, tomorrow I will go market. Tomorrow I will buy some product. Tomorrow I will eat rice. Today I will go my relative home. You try to think in English every single day. After thinking English, you try to describe all things in English in front of your camera. I hope that if you want to learn English, if you want to improve yourself, you follow this way. Like this way you can practice English every single day. I hope that you can become good speaker in your village. See you next video. Best luck for everyone.